iPhone 11 Pro. It's tech time. What's up, everyone? Back at you again with another video. And that's right, it is the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max, just the regular iPhone 11 Pro. I didn't go with the Max this year because I just felt like the iPhone XS Max was just a little too bulky for my liking. Even though I'm using the Galaxy Note 10 and it's practically the same size as the iPhone XS Max, this feels lighter and it just feels more user friendly. So I've decided, I had the iPhone 10 and obviously it was only one size when that came out. So I decided just to revert on back down and hopefully it's a good experience. I think it will be. It's more user friendly. For me it is. So let's go ahead and dive right into this sexy box. Alright, you got the classic iPhone 11. That is really nice. You see, got the 3 camera setup right here. This matte finish, black, space gray, to say. But yeah, this matte finish feels really nice. Really nice. I think a lot of smartphones are going to go towards having this kind of matte finish, this kind of, glossy finish. You can see it on the Pixel 3 XL. What other phone was it? I forgot. But anyway, yes. Nice plastic peel off. The frame, everything just looks really, really good. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let's go ahead and boot this bad boy up. Okay, maybe I'm not holding it down long enough. There we go. There we go. Classic Apple logo. Guess it's time to switch on back to iOS. We'll see if it's a better experience than Android for me. I kind of been wanting to go back to the XS Max, but I actually been quite happy with the Galaxy Note 10. It's been a pretty good phone. Alright, so let me set this up and I'll be right back. Wait, Lawrence, what are you doing? This is an unboxing. We gotta dive into the box. We gotta unbox everything. So, we got those classic tips and tricks, and a hello guide with a SIM card remover tool. Put that to my collection of SIM card tool. You got the classic Apple stickers that come with, pretty much any Apple products, I think. Right now, what's new is the charging brick for the Pro and Pro Max only. I believe the 11, regular 11, I was going to say 11R. I believe the regular 11 only comes with the standard charger's been coming with for years. But this one is the Lightning to USB-C. So why they didn't do USB-C to USB-C, I have no idea. Don't know, maybe to save money or maybe to add it to next year's feature iPhone or something like that. Not sure. But I believe this is the fast charging brick. So that's good. No more having to buy the separate wall charger that's, should have been came in a box. But that's good. It's good to see Apple is definitely paying somewhat attention to what consumers are saying. And you get your standard Apple headphones. These are so obsolete to me. I use AirPods or wireless headphones now. But it's good to have a backup, I guess. Alright, and this is the USB-C. Go ahead and show you guys right now. USB-C right here, and you got the lightning cable. So, it's pretty cool, I guess. Like I said, why isn't it not USB-C, USB-C? I have no idea. But anyway, let's dive into the phone, and I want to take a couple pictures. Alright, so phone is somewhat set up, and I must say this phone is freaking beautiful. Just look at that display. Wow. Apple really takes Samsung displays and make them look really good. Samsung got good displays themselves or good color profiles, but Apple just really nails it. That looks really good. And another thing I did was I put on dark mode so you can see. That is pretty cool. I never really ever had dark mode, even on my Android phones. I never really had it on, but on this iPhone, it looks really good. Really good. Okay, let's dive right into this camera real quick. Get the handy dandy Deadpool. You can stay right there, buddy. All right, I just want to show you guys. Just look at this. Hopefully the camera picks it up well. But okay, so wait. That's the standard lens. That's the wide angle lens, and that's the telephoto lens. So we got the wide angle lens, or ultra wide angle lens, I should say. Standard lens, telephoto. That is just wow. I'm really glad Apple decided to add the ultra wide angle lens on the iPhones this year. Really amazing. But anyway, photo time. All right, little buddy. We're going to use the ultra wide angle. 1, 2. Gotcha. That's clean. That's really clean. You know what? Let's see how the Galaxy look compared to that. Okay, 1, 2. I'm definitely liking, from what I'm seeing, I'm definitely liking the white point better on the iPhone in this photo. Could be a lot of different factors, because I've seen other YouTubers camera tests, and sometimes the Galaxy had the better white point. So it could be a bunch of different factors in it, but so far, really, really solid. Both of them. Both phones look really good, but iPhone, wow. Like, I'm really, really impressed. Let's do a selfie test. iPhone 11 Pro, Galaxy Note 10. I'm definitely looking washed out on the Galaxy. iPhone definitely looks like it has the better, more accurate colors on this one. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure you all want to hear how the speakers sound against the Note 10, so we'll see which one is better. Let's play a little song. Get the volume all the way up. All right, let's hear how the Galaxy sounds. Now, mind you, the Galaxy does have Dolby Atmos, but I don't know, is it fair if I use that? I guess I'll do it without it, and then I'll do it with it. I can't say, like, when I boot the phone up, or when I booted it up and got it set up a little bit, I can say it's a little warm. I don't know if that's iOS 13 or what that could be, but it is a little warm to the touch. So I don't know what that is about. Hopefully that get resolved in a couple software updates. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Would you get the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or even 11 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys for watching. Salute to the flag. It's for the love of tech. And I'm going to catch you all on the next one. Peace.